This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Starter motor replacement. Ford Ranger. Pull the hood release lever located underneath the steering wheel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards. Support the hood with the prop rod. Loosen the cable clamp nut, then disconnect the negative battery cable from the terminal. Secure the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling, then raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. If equipped, remove and discard the protective covers from the starter motor terminals. Then unscrew the nuts and disconnect the wiring from the terminals on the starter motor. Label the wires, if necessary, to make sure that they are reconnected to the correct terminals. Remove the nut and disconnect the ground wire from the lower starter motor mounting stud. While supporting the starter, remove the starter motor mounting bolts and detach the starter from the engine. Install the starter motor to the engine. Thread in the mounting bolts, then tighten the upper and lower mounting bolts to the specified torque setting. Reconnect the ground wire to the starter lower mounting stud. Screw on the nut and tighten it securely. Reconnect the starter motor electrical connections to the correct locations. Screw on the nuts and tighten them securely. If available, replace the starter solenoid terminal protective caps with new ones. Lower the car to the ground. Connect the negative battery cable to the terminal and tighten the cable clamp nut securely.